teach me to fly. He just never got me a license. First thing I got was a trifold food head. If you're not familiar with these, they go on your lap. And they Velcro around your thighs, so if you do any aerobatics, they don't fall off. You can see here it holds your map, which is a sectional or a whack, a VFR clipboard with communication skills, and your analog computer. This is a pretty good bargain at mypilotshop.com. As you can see, it comes with the computer, which is I believe it's stainless steel. And if you're having a VFR day, you can just fold those back. And there's also little tabs for pencils. And it's got, probably can't see it, but it's got a logo on the front. ASA, which seems to be a good bargain for tools and instructional stuff. A little advertisement. I don't know, I was taught to fly with absolutely no electronics, so I'm not really into that yet. Oh, except for Moran. I used to love squawking off on the radio when I was a little kid too. This is the bag. You know, just a briefcase. Kind of gender neutral, person neutral. Oh good, it has a blue interior, which will make things easier to find. Black bags with black interiors get very difficult to find black items in. It comes with a shoulder strap. I guess a zipper compartment. I'm not sure how I would organize these little folders here. It seems pretty sturdy. I mean, this was a pretty good bargain. How much was it? The trifold was $30, and the whole flight kit in this big huge box here was $120. Let's see, we got complete private pilot syllabus. Of course, they show a tricycle gear. I'm going to be using a tail dragger. Yeah, this basically is a syllabus. It takes you through your flight hours, not just ground school. Complete private pilot. Something I'll have to read up on. I'm pretty out of date, but one of the beautiful things about flying, especially visual instead of instrument, is it never goes out of date. You know, it's all see and be seen. 2019 test prep book. This makes me happy because I just ordered this and it's September and I won't have to worry about the test till next year. Student pilot guide. This is pretty much a pamphlet more than a book. Basic information. What do I need to do? What are the medical requirements? How do I get a license? How do I apply to ground school? Airman certification standards. Stick to the books since there's so many books. For a this stuff has changed quite a bit since I was in an airplane. This looks a little bit commercial for me, but might as well learn all you can. See, we got oral exam guide. I didn't even know there was an oral exam. Got a pilot log. If you're using your own airplane, you also need an engine log and an airframe log, but I'm not. I'm poor, so I will be renting Visualized Flight Maneuvers Handbook for high-wing aircraft. Honestly, I'm planning on doing tail dragger low wing for my trainer. What do we got here? Ultimate rotating plotter. This is for marking out distances on your maps, especially the maps at your fixed base of operations, your FBO. You know, they're up on the wall so you can plot stuff. This is your computer. And I was hoping it was metal, but it's just paper. I don't know how to use it. Used to when I was a kid. Played co-pilot quite a bit when I was young. So there's a few more options in here. 2019 product showcase. Yeah, this is the catalog. Paper catalog. Isn't it kind of fun that people that you would expect that are, I mean, they are. Pilots tend to be on the cutting edge of innovation, but then they hold on to what's tried and true as well. So we've got a paper catalog. And one flight planner. Oh, two. This looks like something to make a lot of Xeroxes up. That's everything. And I don't know, I got some study time ahead of me before I book some flight hours because I've been out of it so long. And we'll see how it goes.